So now let's talk about proof by division into cases. So here we're trying to prove some kind of statement, and this statement will have this format. It'll say if, and there will be some or statements. If A1 or A2, or there's some finite number, AN, then C. So this is what we're going to try to prove. So remember, with an or statement, minimum one of them has to be true, but you don't know which one has to be true. So the way you're going to prove it, you need to prove the following. You need to show several statements. So if A1, then C, you need to prove that conditional statement. If A2, then C, you need to prove that conditional statement. And so for each one of the A's, you're going to prove if AN, then C. So basically you break it down into a bunch of conditional statements, individual conditional statements. So I will say, note here, this shows C is true regardless of which A1, A2, up through AN happens to be the case. So you know, if an or statement is true, at least one of those I's has to be true, but we don't know which one it is. And so that's why you have to break it down into these different conditional statements and prove them. Because then, no matter which one of them was true, we would know C was true.